One more thing, we can do the same using this assert is instance info dot value NFT flex contract dot the name of the error, which is this, and let's try it one more time. We shouldn't get any error this time. Yeah, we're not getting any error. Again, we are going to create another test. Let me copy this and paste it below here. We are going to test next condition, which is this one. This one. Actually, this is the error we are going to handle. We are going to test price must be greater than 0. Okay, so let's try it. First of all, we are going to do is change the name of our test suite, which is price underscore must be greater than 0. Okay, and in here we are going to pass NFT flex contract, NFT address. Actually, we don't need this user. Let me get rid of it. And here, instead of doing it again and again, we are just going to create a fixture. Here we are going to create a fixture with name of minted NFT. So let me just cut it from here, and I'm just going to paste it in the minted NFT, and instead of minted token ID, we are going to just name it token ID, and we are going to return it here. Let me copy this minted NFT. We are going to pass that inside this function, this test function. I'm just passing it here. Instead of minted token ID, I'm just going to pass here minted NFT. Instead of writing all those value again and again, we are just going to make it only once and use it in different variable whenever we call create rental function. Okay, so let's do it. Price per hour, this is going to be 10 to the power 18, and is fractional is going to be false. Again, collateral token will be a string of 0x and 40 zeros. Let me copy this value and paste it here. Okay, the next variable will be collateral amount, and this one is collateral token. Collateral amount is going to be same as price per hour. Let me copy this and paste it here. 10 to the power 18. This is on Ethereum. Okay, on ETH. This is equal on ETH. Here the rental ID will be rental ID is going to be 0, and rental ID is 0. We are going to keep this duration. We are going to use it later. Rental ID and duration is true. We are going to use it later whenever we need. And here, after this token ID, what will be the parameter? The price per hour. The third parameter is price per hour. Price per hour then is fractional. This is going to be let me just take a look. Collateral token, and this is going to be collateral amount. Let me copy those values. After token ID, we can just pass them here. Minted NFT, this is a token ID. Using this fixture we are getting back the token ID. Okay, now instead of this, actually this time it would be owner. What we are going to check is this price per hour. Let's reset the value for price per hour. We are going to set it 0. This must be greater than 0. Okay, so we are setting it 0, and the error should be this: price must be greater than 0. Let me copy and paste it here and here as well. Let me run the test again. AP test. Change the name is fraction to is fractional. Now what is wrong? I'm not sure. Let me, price must be greater than 0. This should work. If it is not working, then there might be an error. What is that? Let me find out. Okay, has no attribute mint. So this error I guess we are getting from here. This NFT contract, we need to specify that inside our parameter. Now this time it should work. Let me run it once again, AP test, and this time it's failing again. Is fraction, let me change it, is fraction to is fractional. Let me change it, is fraction to is fractional. Save it once again and AP test. Now all of the tests are passed.